Alright, and we are back for another episode of Pokemon Ranger Shadows of Almia. In the last episode, as you can see from the debris over here, the villains blew up the headquarters, and now we're gonna have to go to Artu Inc. and stop the team. Damn son, once and for all. I can't believe after this entire game, I still don't know what the villains are called. What a mess. Anyways, I've been having some difficulties uploading this episode. I don't know what it is or why it's happening, but I haven't been able to upload this so I can do a proper recording. So if this doesn't get uploaded, I'll have to wait. I'll just see what I can do. I'll have to wait a little while, chop out parts of this video. I don't know. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough editing, so yeah. What we're gonna have to do here is go to Artu Inc. Obviously, I shouldn't be telling you things you already know, but I'm a Let's Player, so it's my job to do things like that, so it annoys you. And, yeah, so we're gonna be heading into this place, and oh, wow, yeah, as you can see, Artu Inc. has really become like this evil place since we first saw it in the beginning of the game. It's not that place where you thought people just worked. It's now like this whole big evil corporation. And oh, apparently everybody got fired, and there's a Team Zenson admin watching the door. This is clear and touching. Don't make me laugh. And here's a mini boss. Mega. This is the only way you can catch in the main course of the game. There's another one you can get during the secret after game. There's part in the after game, but I will not go into detail about what that is or where it is. Because we're still trying to stop Artu, stop what called, prevent the Pokemon from being, all Pokemon from being mind controlled, all that good jazz. So, with that, Mega has been captured. Befriended. It's gooey silk, it attacks with letting loose shockwaves. Well, C-rank, but still leveled up from that, which I'm now at level 39. Which is, pretty good. So, bye-bye, Mega. God, you meddlesome rangers. Let's head inside. Execute operation button! Huh? Oh. There, that ought to do it. That'll keep out a law-abiding policeman in any region. Wahaha! What? What am I doing here? Run away! Spirit kids are in the way. I told you to hurry, but oh no. Now what? What do we do? Yeah, they gobbled up on the job. I think they're getting fired by the end of the day. Hey, we knew you were coming, Rangers. Wait, then why'd you? Oh, you're a little snitch. Huh? Oh, hey there. Uh-huh. You're not getting away with anything. Did you say arrow? How old are you, 7? Your epic adventure ends here, Rangers! Nintendo totally not promoting themselves with that statement. Oh, wow! Alright. We got Weezing and Skunk Tape. Both very annoying, both be able to spit out gas orbs. Catch them and get them out of the way. And boom. What took literally like a couple seconds with how powerful our Styler is. I'm definitely not going to get my Styler's level 100 by the end of this. I guarantee you that. And if I do, well, I do, so yeah. Honestly, I recorded this a long time ago, so I don't know if I do reach 100, I don't reach 100. So, yeah, you're not going to stop Mr. Hall, I won't allow it. Huh? What are you gonna do, huh? Oh, that's something! So, we got a Shiftry and 2 Lugglings that weren't even there. So, blah blah blah, I think Shiftry is new. We haven't seen a caught one of those yet, so, yeah. Let's try to get all 3 of them in the circle here. Alright, that's no move right away, now comes the Shiftry. I think it has another move with it. Or no, it just reacts faster. Yeah. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that's real annoying. I'm glad I caught that right there. That would be so annoying to deal with. It whips up wings with its. I'm sorry, I can't read this. I can't really read this. The screen's a little bit small for me. Yeah, and the video's kind of choppy from my view, so forgive me if I don't read some of the text. Target clear. So, Keith, are you doing alright? Da 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 da. Yep. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah. That's right. Get in the corner. FaceTime. Alright. Elevator. What? What buttons? What? Up, please. Alright, suppose that are important to Isaac. I'm give myself an Isaac in mind. Maybe try mushroom? No. How could it just be No! Hey! Ramelli! Yes! Ah, you idiot! Password accepted. Welcome, Professor Isaac. We will stop on the 9th floor. Elevator. Going out. Cheat move. Are you alright in there? I'm here to rescue you. Don't you gubbed up. You gubbed up. Ha! I lied. This is where your journey ends. I've heard that line a million times before. Seriously, you gotta be first. Congratulations. Where'd they go? Oh, no. Where'd he go? Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? Alright, there's one dust box out of the way, and there's the other dust box out of the way. Yay! We got all the dust cans. We got all the dust commands. We got the dust commands, and now we're gonna go and do stuff with it. No, please! Don't stab me! Oh, I have a rope ladder. You can use this. I just can't. Oh, cool, magnify. Alright, let's get it. So first you tried to kill us, and now you want us to spare you. You know, since we're such nice people, I'll let you live. Alright. Huh? Oh, goody, ladders. Alright. Going up a ladder, going up a ladder. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my god. Wow. I'm probably 1 hour waiting for you. Okay. As he was saying, you don't look much way of thinking. Yes, it's supposed to take you both out. Hey! Hi. Oh wait, 3 of you guys! No! 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 I cannot do! I cannot do that! I cannot do that! Alright, turn the volume a little bit, but I hope there's no echo in the video, so... Get, come on, yes, there we go. Alright. Got all 3 of those guys. That explodes. Skybites go away. He told me walk. You're ridiculously powerful. Ah! Do you just commit suicide? I like the Artu building music. Oh, whoa! I knew I thought you don't dare not remember it, dude, about the. Back then we were the same rank, but now we're considered admins. Blah 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 blah. You're from Boil Volcano. You're mad and you want to fight me now. With 2 Gengars! Alright! Step it up! I'm still gonna catch them and destroy you! I mean... Yeah, I'm gonna catch them and then I'm gonna destroy you. Man, I'm not gonna destroy you alive. I'm trying to kill you. And there we go. Yes, I was calling for that entire section. What do you want? Haha, your makeup sucks. Jumping to their death. And if you want to figure out what I want to say, I'll never tell, and I'll never know. So that way, so I gotta drink more water. This is good stuff. Who is this? Idiot, illiterate, degenerate, moron, fool, stupid. Oh, cool, yeah, that's fine. Mental, incapacitated. I can go on with this list of how dumb he is. He asked there was an S in course. You can even sound it out. Whoa. Alright, so this is the only way I'm playing the game, obviously, by that, field move marking, blah, blah, blah. I'm only, like, really factual in the beginning of my episodes. So, yeah. There's gonna be a lot of mini-bosses in this place, I'll give you that right now. as we go higher and higher up, their legs are breaking more and more and more until their bodies just collapse on themselves from breaking their bones too much. I think we're like an air shaft. Yeah, we're in air duct. The big air duct. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh God. Oh. Okay. All right. Ugh, it's totally fierce in here. Oh. Huh? What are these guys? Hey! I'm getting what the range of video. Is the yellow jump secure? The yellow jump secure the storage room. The gate isn't about to open that slightly. Yeah, I'm using the ones controlling them. Unless the rangers can find us. There's no way you'll get inside! Alright, so basically what they're saying is that if they beat us, we're going straight to ice and they are going to kill us. Okay. Simply trying to oh, here's the callback. Capture! Never seen a callback. I don't think we've seen a callback before, and if we have, like, completely forgotten it. This poison lets us supersonic ways to attack. And we got an A rank. Oh, they're probably staying way away from him. Alright. Wow, probably have attacked. Okay. Charlie's running up. Okay. Stop! Just stop. Jeez. Dash is about extremely wildly. It's easier to capture when it stops. Thanks for the info! Alright, so these 3 out of here. But, yeah, as we're coming to a close here, I just want to get my outro out now, since I've been noticing that I'm pretty sure you know too, if you actually watch the video to the end. I get cut off near the end, so yeah, I'm not sure when this will be up or how I'm going to upload it, but I will try my darndest to get this thing up as soon as I can, whenever I can, however I can, and wherever I can. So, I would like to thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, like, subscribe, like me on Facebook, follow my Twitter, all that good stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, in the next episode, we'll be seeing if we can find the yellow gem to defeat Team Stimson once and for all. And restore peace to the, what region is this? Almia? Yeah, Almia sounds right. To the Almia region. And, with that, I bid you... You cut the video off, man! I bid you adieu! Alright, good. Good. Can I have now? Good.